Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can easily delete a friend in Township. To delete a friend in Township is a super easy step. First of all, open up your Township application on your device, and once you're in the home screen, go ahead and tap on the Friends tab, which is located at the bottom left. Now inside your Friends tab, you will see your friends list. Go ahead and select the friend you want to delete or remove and tap on their profile picture. Now you will see their profile where you can also see a remove button. Tap on the red remove button and confirm by tapping on yes in the remove friend pop-up. After you click on yes, the friend will be removed from your friend list. And that is how you easily delete or remove a friend on Township. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Township tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.